The U.S. Embassy in Juba, South Sudan has called for immediate release of detained freelance journalist and reporter for VOA, Dying Maggot. Dying Maggot was arrested along with 4 others when she was covering a protest staged by a group of youth on Sunday. The protesters were angry at the high rate of unemployment, the high cost of living, and increased insecurity in the country. According to the Union of Journalists of South Sudan, Dying's arrest occurred at the Kanyo market, where a handful of young men staged the protest. Oyet Patrick told iRadio that the female journalist was detained at the Malakia police station in Juba. In a social media statement, the Juba-based U.S. Embassy today called on authorities to respect the right of people to peacefully assemble. The embassy also called on the authorities to permit journalists to do their jobs without interference or harm. "We affirm the right of journalists to seek information and share their findings with citizens is an integral part of a free, strong, and democratic society," the statement partly read.